Today we'll be examining early humans and the agricultural revolution. As we start, we learn that many people in ancient civilizations were hunters and gatherers. And what that meant is that they spent much of their time hunting for animals and collecting food. These people are known as hunter-gatherers. They moved from place to place and did not have a permanent settlement, and they called them a nomad. They did this for survival. Now, we do see that during this agricultural revolution, that many nomads settle in permanent settlements. And we see civilizations emerge. There are 4 great civilizations: Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, and China. Mesopotamia is located in Southwest Asia. Egypt is located on the continent of Africa. India and China are also located on the continent of Asia. All of these civilizations appear near river valleys. And even though they're located far apart, they do have some things in common. One, they depended on the river valleys. One, for the rich soil that was provided through the flooding, which brought good crop harvest. The rivers also provided fish, and it encouraged trade. Now with this, number 2, with this increased trade, this led to the development of cities. And cities then became the center of the civilization. 3, these civilizations formed governments. And these governments are what protected the people and their food supply. The first government was known as a monarchy, and the head of a monarchy is a king or a queen. The 4th thing that they had in common was religion. And as we see, religion became very complex during these times. Priests performed ceremonies to impress the gods because the rulers believed that the power they needed, their power needed to be supported by the gods. The 5th thing is that the people were organized into social classes. The most powerful at the top of the triangle, like the king, and the least powerful at the bottom, which would be like slaves. The last thing that was very important to these societies were art and written language. And you can see that all of these civilizations, Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, India, and China, have many things in common.